night.
Hey.
First night.
Yay.
Good night. I found beautiful chaos.
Yay, congrats. And it was like the last one.
Yeah.
I literally seen a girl wear this shirt and I was looking.
Sun is literally in my face and I'm going to crash out. I'm not even paying attention to what's
Like
on
what I'm walking to.
Yeah, dude. And I'm going to crash out. Look at that view. Oh my gosh. Dude. I stopped vlogging midway, but now we're actually gonna make it to the car, and now I'm so excited because that was like a 2-mile walk from there and back.
Almost 2 miles.
Our pace was 37 minutes per mile, and if I was running, actually no, I'd be slower because it's kind of steep. But whatever, at least I made it, and now there's Slurpees back in the car, so. 3, I think. Calico critters, like little baby rats.
Little baby rats.
And then there's a giraffe. I don't know. Sheeps in the floor, and then they have milk rabbits, but they're so expensive. I could never. New jeans right there, and I found a supernatural. Oh my gosh. There's like more in the back, but I don't want to get it because I don't really like the groups besides the Seraphim. We got Bingsu. Hooray.
Just name it.
Here. So we're spending a little bit too much time in Daiso. What are you getting?
Beads.
I got stickers,
Random stuff.
stickers, a knife, what I think are pliers, and like clay molds. This isn't good. Compound.
Oh my gosh, there's a cows and the sheeps.
Baking. Currently baking. We're gonna do cookies. Target necklace. It was like a birthday gift from a friend. Earrings. Sheen. Give me. Okay, where's your shirt from? Brandy Melville. Your necklace. The source. Earrings. My mom. Tote bag. Majuri. Cookies.
Hi, Kristen.
Oh. We got a Nutella churro. Period. 1, 2, 3, cooling. Yay.
Yum yum.
Hey guys, it's voiceover Katie, and I hope you've enjoyed the summer vlog. As short as it was, I'm sorry, I didn't want to document like too much of my life or get like super personal, but I hope you'll be looking forward to the schoolgirl diaries and the school vlogs that I have coming soon. And I'm really glad that you guys have been watching the summer vlogs and stuff like that. So yeah, see you in the next vlog.